Greetings everyone, this is Teacher Laverne from Atanidol International School, Thailand. We are going to talk about the eye anatomy, the parts of the eye outside the eyeball. The eye sits in the protective bony socket called the orbit. 6 extraocular muscles in the orbit are attached to the eye. These muscles move the eye up and down, side to side, and rotate the eye. The extraocular muscles are attached to the white part of the eye called the sclera. This is a strong layer of tissue that covers nearly the entire surface of the eyeball. The surface of the eye and the inner surface of the eyelids are covered with a clear membrane called the conjunctiva. Tears lubricate the eye and are made up of 3 layers. These 3 layers together are called the tear film. The mucous layer is made by the conjunctiva. The watery part of the tears is made by the lacrimal gland. The eye's lacrimal gland sits under the outside edge of the eyebrow, away from the nose in the orbit. The meibomian gland makes the oil that becomes another part of the tear film. Tears drain from the eye through the tear duct. Light is focused into the eye through the clear, dome-shaped front portion of the eye called the cornea. Behind the cornea is a fluid-filled space called the anterior chamber. The fluid is called the aqueous humor. The eye is always producing aqueous humor. To maintain a constant eye pressure, aqueous humor also drains from the eye in an area called the drainage angle. Behind the anterior chamber is the eye's iris, the colored part of the eye, and the dark hole in the middle called the pupil. Muscles in the iris dilate or widen or constrict, narrow the pupil to control the amount of light reaching the back of the eye. Directly behind the pupil sits the lens. The lens focuses light toward the back of the eye. The lens changes shape to help the eye focus on objects up close. Small fibers called the sonules are attached to the capsule holding the lens, suspending it from the eye wall. The lens is surrounded by the lens capsule, which is left in place when the lens is removed during the cataract surgery. Some types of replacement intraocular lenses go inside the capsule where the natural lens was. By helping to focus light as it enters the eye, the cornea and the lens both play important roles in giving us clear vision. In fact, 70% of the eye's focusing power comes from the cornea and 30% from the lens.